Welcome. In this video I will show you how to use EasyReach on your Kindle 11. The EasyReach is the system that turns pages on your Kindle 11, and unfortunately we cannot customize it on this device. We cannot customize page turning, we cannot customize tab zones, but we can fortunately adjust the page turning by changing the orientation of the text. To do so, we have to tap at the top of the screen while reading a book, then tap the double A icon, go to Layout tab, and change the orientation. This way we can switch between reading vertically or horizontally. And that's pretty much it when it comes to EasyReach. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.